Hey guys, it's Old Man Wags here with Dirt Killer Pressure Washers. What we're doing is just taking some time to explain one of our kits that is available on dirtkiller.com. If you notice in the description, we have 98 bypass 12 as well as 98 bypass 38. Each one of these designates something in that it's a bypass kit for a 1/2 inch line or a bypass kit for a 3/8 line. Let's talk about how to actually install this kit and what's included. The first thing you're going to notice is we have our bulkhead fitting. We have 2 hose bars with an elbow on them, as well as our actual bypass line. Additionally, there are going to be appropriately sized hose clamps for whatever the task is. The purpose of this kit is to allow you to go from wherever your pressure washer is and bypass it back to the tank itself. This does not include the unloader. This is everything from the unloader's hose barb back to the tank. So what you're going to do is attach your 1/2 inch or 3/8 line up to the unloader's bypass barb. You're going to snake the 15 feet that's included back up to the tank as neatly as possible. You're going to kind of want to tuck that out of the way. Shouldn't be under pressure at any time, so it's not like it's going to pulsate or vibrate. You just want this neatly in whatever pocket it makes the most sense for your application. After that, you're going to drill a hole in your tank, install the bulkhead fitting, which the wall will sit right there, and you'll basically have this protruding from the tank wall. After that, you can take the first barb. This goes on the inside. You can also do this before the tank is sealed up with the bulkhead fitting. And this barb itself, you want aimed somewhere on the tank wall, all right? The reason behind that, when you let off the trigger and water dumps in, if this is aimed down at your water supply, let's say you have 100 gallons in this tank, it's perfectly fine. As it trickles down to, let's say 15 or 20 gallons worth of water, that force from you bypassing can actually aerate the water itself and cause cavitation inside the pump head. So you're gonna want to take this first barb, aim that back of the tank wall so it hits that, runs down the wall, eliminating that issue altogether. The second barb that's included goes on the outside of the bulkhead fitting. And basically, you aim this to connect to wherever your bypass hose is. That 90 is on there just because normally these are, say, on top of a tank or on the sidewall, which basically allows it to neatly go against the side. If you had a straight barb out there, they do tend to be prone to cracking and failing just because they're an easy knockoff point. But when it sits flush like that, nice and clean, makes it look a little bit nicer. All this is included in the 98 bypass kit. Again, they're available in 1/2 inch and 3/8 size. If you have additional needs, feel free to reach out in the comments section below or give us a shout at the shop. These parts are available on dirtkiller.com. Let's kill some dirt.
Dirt Killer. Let's kill some dirt.